Hello, third grade. What's up? What's up? What's up? So I'm outside and I'm enjoying this beautiful, beautiful day. And as I sit out here and I think about the things that I'm trying to teach, and I'm just pondering on life and just sitting out here and enjoying this pretty scenery. I probably should turn so you can see, but while I'm out here, I hear a lot of birds chirping. I'm going to be quiet and see if you can hear. Okay, so today for science, I want to talk about birds. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. For science, we're going to discuss birds. We're going to talk about birds. We're going to talk about look at this. It's so beautiful out here. And if you listen, you can hear the birds. I'm just in my backyard and I just hear them all day. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about birds today, and we're going to be on National Geographic. So I don't know if you can see me because it's a glare, but there's going to be a link and you can go back and view this stuff by yourself. But on this page right here, it talks about all type of birds. And I just think birds are really, really fascinating because there's so many different types, so many things that they can do. They eat different things. The way that they move, they never go a day without food, like having to worry about food. And I just think that they are some great individuals. So if you look at this on National Geographic Kids, it talks about birds, and it says birds are warm-blooded vertebrates. Vertebrates have a what? Backbone. If you said backbone, you was listening in science class. So it says that birds are warm-blooded vertebrates, meaning vertebrates, they have backbones. Animals that have backbones are called vertebrates. And they are the only animal with feathers. Although all birds have wings, a few species can fly. So I want you to think about that. Even though all birds have wings, only a few of them can fly. So while you're thinking that all birds can fly, let's think about all those birds that can't fly. And we're going to come up with a list of birds that cannot fly. All right, so that's going to be included in the lesson as well. And so now we're going to scroll down. And as you can see, we have the penguin, which is one of my favorite birds. I love penguins. And then we have a American crow. We have a goldfinch, American goldfinch, American robin, Atlantic puffin. Is that a bald eagle? Yep, bald eagle. Blue-footed booby, brown thrasher, and the list goes on. Quails, bluebirds, more penguins, owls, and flamingos. So I love flamingos too. So what I want you to do is I want you to choose a bird and click on it. So right now I'm going to click on flamingos, and it should take me to a screen that's going to have information about flamingos. And here we go. Okay, so it says when a flamingo spots potential dinner, favorite foods include shrimp, snails, and plant-like water organisms called algae. It plunges its head. Hold on, move me down. So this is of penguins, and then I'll go back down, and it has like a descriptive part of penguins. So I'll go right here, and then it says I'll start at the beginning. When a flamingo spots potential dinner, favorite food includes shrimp, snails, and plant-like water organisms called algae. It plunges its head into the water, twists it upside down, woo, and scoops the fish using its upper beak like a shovel. They are able to run on water. Wow, I didn't know that. Thanks to their web feet to gain speed before lifting into the sky. So I didn't know that they could run on water, and I didn't know that they could lift into the sky, which means that they can fly. So, as I go on, flamingos build nests that look like mounds of mud along waterways. At the top of the mound, in a shallow hole, the female lays one egg. The parents take turns sitting on the egg to keep it warm. After 30 days, what happens? Voila, magic, the egg hatches. All right, so I'm doing mines on flamingos. You know, I love flamingos, and it gives us a lot of information. This map right here, this little yellow box indicates where flamingos live. So, according to this key, map key, that's a cardinal bird, y'all. But according to this key, they live in South America, Africa, parts of Europe, Asia, and I think that's it. Oh, and it may be some right here, like in this little island area. But, you know, we see flamingos at the zoo, and we also learned about flamingos too as like their acquired traits and how do they get their pink feathers and all of that. So this website is definitely going to go into details about certain and different birds, many different birds. You don't have to just do flamingos. You can do any type of bird. You click and you are going to tell me what you have learned. This is just an example of me going through the pages, and I'm going to post this to my YouTube page as well. And it just gives us a lot of details about flamingos and birds. So what we're focusing on is birds. Like I'm telling you, my inspiration was sitting out here and enjoying this beautiful day, listening to all the cardinal birds, and it's just so many different varieties of birds, like so many different species. Some can fly, some can't fly. But going back to the flamingo, here are some details right here. It's what type of animal is it? It's a bird, and then it talks about its diet, and it says that it's an omnivore, and we all know what that means, right? I want you to tell me what that means. I'm not going to tell you. You tell me what an omnivore is, okay? And then so the size of it is 36 to 50 inches, and its wingspan, meaning how its wings spread out from side to side, is 60 inches. And they weigh about 8.75 pounds. All right. So your assignment to, let's look through these pictures really quick. Wow, look at this. They look like a baby flamingo. That's beautiful. I wonder how this flamingo turned pink. Was it born like this? Was this flamingo born with these feathers? You guys tell me. Tell me, was this flamingo born with feathers? With pink feathers. And you tell me, how do you know? Yes or no? How do you know if it was or not? All right, so your assignment today will be to go to this National Geographic Kids link. You're going to click on animals right here. You're going to go to birds. When you go to the bird section, a variety of birds are going to come up. You're going to choose the bird that you want to research on this week, okay? You're going to choose your animal, and you're going to learn about your animal. Like I said, whenever we're out, whenever we're just sitting outside, we always see so many different types of birds, and all birds don't live in all areas. So this is just a learning experience for us all, because like as I sit outside right now, I see a lot of cardinal birds. I see and I hear, sometimes I see hummingbirds, and hummingbirds don't always live all over the region, but they live in different places. All right, so don't forget to scroll down. You select your animal, your bird to do your research on. I did the flamingo. If you guys want to do the flamingo, that's totally fine, but you're going to have to dig deep, and you're going to have great details about your flamingo, okay? So this should be fun. Be creative. I will put the list of details in the assignment section so you'll know what to do when you have your work completed. Forgive me, I cannot see It's sunny out here. I'm trying to enjoy this day. Yeah, have fun with the assignment. I hear all this noise in the background. Got dogs barking, got birds chirping, people cutting grass. This is the virtual life. All right,